I welcome you back again to another video lecture on C# programming, and in this video lecture we'll go ahead and look at for loop system. Alright, so in the previous lecture we were able to look at while loop, and we were able to demonstrate the use of while loop to print out numbers multiple times. Now we have a system called a for loop, and we shows, or we're going to demonstrate how we can be able to use for loop to achieve just the same purpose, to show you that these loop systems all work the same way. Alright, and down in the course we're going to use more of for loop and while loop, and the following loop systems we're going to use more of them as we move into the course. So now let's go ahead and say that the integer variable of x is equal to 1 and put a semicolon at the end. Now we go ahead and use a for loop system. So with a for loop, you go ahead and say for, and now we go ahead and get the condition, and let's say that x, for a condition that x equal to 1, alright, and now plus semicolon, and then x less than or equal to, let's say, 50. So we want to print from 1 to 50. Alright. Now, let's say that's x increment. Go ahead and put a semicolon at the end. Alright, so whatever is inside this block of code is going to print out this system from 1 to 50. Okay. Now let's go ahead and say console dot write line. So console dot write line, go ahead and say the new value of x equal to bracket 0. Then go ahead and put x right in there. Now go ahead and put a semicolon at the end. So at this point, you don't need to go out and increment x again because we have already, so go ahead and remove the semicolon right here. First of all, we have already started the program code right here. We said that x is equal to 1. That means x is going to start from 1. Alright? So, and then x less than or equal to 50. So that means it's going to start from 1 and it's going to end at 50. Then it will increment. So whenever it starts from 1, it will execute this program, go back, is up to 50, execute the second one, go back, is up to 50 to increment. So whenever it checks and is not up to 50, it will increment, and it will continue this until it gets to 50. That is what this entire code is saying. Now let's go ahead and say console dot read key, and let's go ahead and put a semicolon at the end. Now we go ahead and run this code. Let's check it out. So if you check it out, you can see the new value of x equal to 1 and the new value of x equal to 50 because we did this from 1 to 50, alright? So I hope that is really so big. Go ahead and reduce this to like 10 and run this code so you can be able to see everything. So you can see that it printed from 1 to 10, alright? I hope that is really very cool. You can also go ahead and close this and say int x. You can declare int x just out there and run this code, and it's going to print out 1 to 10 for you. Because inside you've already started at x equal to 10, so the next way you can do that is to go ahead and remove this integer value right here. Alright? So you can also remove the integer value right here and come inside here and say int x. Go ahead and say int x equal to 1. Alright? And run this code. Let's check it out. So you can see we were able to get the sentence because you can also make the declaration right inside that for loop bracket. Okay. So right inside this parenthesis, you can also make the declaration and it's going to work out fine. So someone else can go outside and do that. You can be able to do that right inside because you have already known that for today that you can do that. So you can always do that right inside the parenthesis and it's going to work out fine. So go ahead and put this down in your system, you play around with it and check out more on that, and If you have any question, please go ahead and let me know, and I'm going to use the question and answer section and get back to you as soon as possible. So before we call that a day, or before we go ahead and end that, I'll show you one more thing. The next thing is that you can also come back here and say that x is equal to x plus 1. So x plus 1 is equal to x increment, and if you run this code, it's going to give you just exactly the same thing. Check it out. So you can see that. And all is also applicable to the time we use the while loop, where we say that x increment can also say x equal to x plus 1, and it's just almost the same thing with x increment, alright? Now go ahead and put it down on your own system, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.